Hello everyone. Today we will talk about 7 tips to boost your immune system. As the COVID-19 pandemic spreads across nations, the world is grappling with containing the virus and stopping its spread. Doctors agree that people with stronger immune systems are better equipped to handle the novel coronavirus. Viruses are not a new entry into our life. We literally live an ocean of bacteria and viruses. The important thing is that this particular virus is new to our system, so our bodies are struggling with it. To see that we can produce the necessary antibodies and become capable of handling it, as we have become capable of handling everything else, there are a few things we can do. It is not that this is a cure for coronavirus, but if these simple things can be practiced, you will see in 6 to 8 weeks time your immune system will be at least a few percentage points higher. This is what you need to go through this situation without causing fatality to yourself and people around you. Number 1. Neem and turmeric. Neem leaf is available all across India except in the mountain areas, and turmeric is anyway available. Now they are making what is called as nano turmeric, where the absorption rate is much higher than the normal turmeric. One simple thing that you could do every day is to consume 8 to 10 leaves of neem and a little bit of turmeric in the warm water. If you drink this on an empty stomach, your ability to fight external organisms is greatly enhanced. Not that it will immediately work, but in 3 to 6 weeks time, there could be some difference. This is something that everyone can bring into their homes. It is already there in most homes in southern India, but may not be in other parts of the country, so we must bring this. Number 2. Jiva Legium and raw mango. There are traditional offerings like Jiva Legium or Chyawanprash that also builds the immune system. If you have old people at home beyond 60 years of age, it is good to start them on Chyawanprash. This is also the beginning of the raw mango season, so do not wait for it to ripe, eat the raw mango. It is not a preventive for coronavirus, but it can up-boost the immune system a little bit. Number 3. Amla with honey and peppercorns. Soak amla, that is Indian gooseberry, in honey overnight, along with some broken black or green peppercorns. Have about 3 spoons 3 times a day. It works best if that is the first thing you take when you are on an empty stomach. If you do this, in 4 to 8 weeks time, one can see significant betterment of one's immune system. Number 4. Mahavilva leaves. There is something called Mahavilva leaves which are available in the Western Ghats region. If you can eat about 3 to 5 leaves a day in the morning, that will also enhance your immune system. Number 5. Get enough physical activity. One simple thing is to stay physically active. This is the good time for us to use these few weeks to get fit. If you do not know anything else, at least simply jog on the spot every day at different times, maybe 15 minutes 5 to 6 times a day. The body will try to handle things better. Number 6. Chanting to generate Ushna. The Yoga Yogeshwaraya chant is about generating Samat Prana or Ushna in the system. There is something called as Ushna and Shita, which in the English language translate to heat and cold. But that is not what exactly it means. If you generate enough Samat Prana and create Ushna in the system, your immune system will function much better. This chant will generate a certain amount of strength in the immune system because it generates heat. Number 7. Keep yourself joyful. Mental distress is definitely one way of putting the immune system. To stay fully spirited, joyful and exuberant is also a simple way of making your immune system and the body function much better. A joyful, sensible, responsible human being can deal with situation much better than those are dead serious about everything, especially if you are in panic. It is very important that all your faculties are in place, that your body and your brain function and respond the way it needs to. So, let this be very clear, guys. This is not a treatment for coronavirus, nor it is a prevention. These are things you do over a period of time to strengthen your immune system so that when the next virus comes, you may be in a little better place to handle. It is not necessary that one should follow all the tips. One can pick whichever they feel convenient and easy. For example, neem leaves are difficult to find in mountain areas but easier to find in other parts of the region. And Mahavilva leaves can be found easily in the Western Ghats and other mountain areas but difficult in the other parts. So, you can find whichever is convenient and easy and start boosting your immunity. There are many tips that can boost one's immune system, but I personally felt these 7 tips are quick and easy, very simple, and especially for the older people who are over 60. I will try and make another video on how to boost one's immune system in the interest of benefiting as many people across nations. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and maintain social distancing. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you.